In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can use print screen on your keyboard. So print screen that is used to take a screenshot or a snapshot of your current screen. Now, let me show it to you on the on-screen keyboard. So this is the print screen. It's PrtScn on the on-screen keyboard or the virtual keyboard. But on your keyboard, that is just in the initials PrtSc, which stands for print screen. So how can we use it? It's very easy. So let's say, for example, we have this current screen. Remember, this will only take a screenshot on your current screen, okay? Or current window. So if you open any other window like that, like the Microsoft Word, and you want to take a snapshot of it, just simply press Windows key and print screen together, okay? Windows key and print screen together. And now let's confirm if we have just took a snapshot of this window. Make a right click at the Start button, select File Explorer, then Pictures, Screenshots, and here it is. Okay, so that's how you can easily use the print screen on your keyboard. That is to take a snapshot of your current screen or current window. You just need to simply press Windows key and print screen together to take a snapshot of your current window. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.